What happened? Alright, bros, we're about to hit a cruise up in the canyons. See if we don't die. It's fucking raining.
Fuck the attention. Fuck with the bitches. Fuck with no effort. Just hit the projects.
Mira, ahí está todos a la verga ahí. Ah, chingado. Casi shit. We out here, boys. We're gonna teach Amador how to do some donuts. See if he can have a little more control of his car. Here he comes. Hey, wait. I think you're getting too close to the cars, güey. Se van a paniquear esos güeyes.
Nah, I wasn't close, fool.
Yeah.
Was I?
Yeah, güey. Y hasta el de la troca, el chinito aquel ahí abajo en la pinche window, güey. There's a car right there, güey. Mira, ahí hay otro pendejo. Hey, wait, your rear tires were shaking a little bit.
I know, wey. I felt it.
Yeah? Espérate, güey, espérate, tranquilo. Some more people right there. I think I'm gonna tell that guy if he can move his car. This was going a little too wide. Alright, got the homie to move. He didn't want to move. He's like, I trust this fool. But I told him, you know what? La neta, way, this was barely learning. Better. Alright. Round 2. ¿Qué pedo? I was all excited and shit. ¿Qué te está pasando, güey?
El pinche cinto, güey.
Quítatelo, güey. Take that shit off.
¿Qué cinto?
Excuses. Ah, chingo.
I'm gonna keep trying that. Coming in from over there.
A ver, dale, güey. There you go. There you go. Ah. Almost had it. Ah, chingo. I think he needs an angle kit.
What do you think the problem right there? Cool?
The problem is, way, I think you're going a little too hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
So let off the gas?
Yeah, just a little bit, like right here, way. It's because it's kind of downhill, so se va. I think. I really don't know. I really don't know unless I'm like inside the car. But I don't want to get inside the car, I'm scared. Ay! Too much.
Yo, you fixed my seat, dude. Like, you don't understand, güey. ¿Cómo me molestaba esa madre, güey? Ay, ay, ay. Oh, fuck. Shit.
So we're coming down and then we found these kids right here fucking shit up. Check them out. Ah, chingao. Ah, chingao.
The GoPro was, but not my phone. Fuck. El first gear sí puedo, güey. Estamos mareando la verga. You got it on your camera or no? That one?
I got on this one and that one.
Just tacuaches, güey. I see. I was able to control it. Well, that's first view though. This gear's on second. The moment you
Second
let
was
off,
too
como
much,
que se agarra, güey.
Yeah.
So probably my tires are too big or some shit. Fool. ¿Qué piensas?
I think you need an angle, güey. Because se te va too much in second gear. With a little bit more of angle, vas a tener more control.
I should just put like a little LED bar right there, fool. And then the ones like that one, you just push the button, fool, you know. Le pucho el botón cuando lo use, güey. Falta un pinche Rebel, güey.
Rebel? You want a monster?
Nah. You wanna go half on a monster? I'll go half on a monster, fool. Not a whole monster though.
They're in the fridge, güey.
Está open?
No, my keys are in your car somewhere.
Oh, wait, fool. Hey, you don't add color to your videos tampoco, huh? You just upload it like
Just
that?
open it like that. Can you tell?
Nah, because it looks good on here, fool. Like on this screen. Because like you look at mine and you look at yours has more color. But it's good meal. I record it for when you want to record to color, you always want to record it like that grayish, dull color. I'm sure your camera has that setting too.
What do you mean?
It's called the S-Log, where it records like I don't know how to explain it, fool, but it records it fucked up. So when you edit it, no se mire muy drastic. Like yours already has color, fool. So if you start adding color to it, se mira como.
Yeah, por eso I've tried it. I've tried adding y se mira medio raro.
That's why you gotta do it on S-Log. Como se mira like grayish, fool.
Yeah.
No se mira. It looks like out of color right here, fool. Ah, chingado, no prende este, güey.
Dale vuelta al foco, like pop it out, and then dale vuelta. ¿Dónde está el otro, güey? No, el otro tornillo.
That's for to get Apple Music. You don't play FR Legends tampoco, ¿verdad, güey?
I do, güey. En
Yeah?
live nomás.
In real life, we got jokes. Nah, el Momo está chingón, güey. It's dope, fool.
Ahí está, güey. Oh, yeah, güey.
It should turn on, huh? Yeah. Ah, chingón. Tú dale, güey.